In order to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11, you first have to navigate to the bottom right corner where you see this your start menu and tap on it. Then with this selected, make sure to continue and tap on settings, and this will pull out a list of options here. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On the left panel here, when you scroll down again, you could see privacy and security. Make sure to tap on it, and then on this interface, check among the list of options under security, you could see Windows security. Then make sure to select on it, and this will redirect you to an interface like this. I'm going to make sure to select on virus and threat protection, and then under virus and threat protection, I'm going to turn off series of things. So first, under virus and threat protection, we're going to proceed tap on manage settings. The real-time protection is toggled off, and this will automatically turn off dev drive protection. So I'm going to scroll down again and make sure the cloud delivered protein is also toggled off, and then the automatic sample submission is also toggled off. And when you scroll down, you could see the tamper protein. This is also going to be toggled off. Then I'm going to proceed to the last one, which is the control folder access. When I tap on manage control folder access, I'm going to make sure this is also toggled off. And this is how you can turn off Windows Defender on Windows 11. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.